Where the camera I am.
Who's taking out the windscreen?
Dus twist dat.
lifting, sewing, baling, drawing, hauling, a bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, field or slapping, stocking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, wearing, tearing, losing wind. Oh, hit the deaf and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe we drove a light till the fuel it ran out. Oh, give me a yoke with plenty of poke and a can of easy start, and 1,500 acres hauling 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before July to the woman in an awful rush, and it was nearly Christmas before I got back in touch. I fancied, but I had no brakes, couldn't keep it cool. With loads of heart was behind the dark, so give the pop a school. Out all night with no lights, only seeing stars, and the moon from the moon, and the diesel light in the dash. Mowing, lifting, sewing, wailing, drawing, hauling, bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, field or slapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, wearing, tearing, losing wind. Oh, hit the deaf and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe we drove a light till the fuel it ran out. Overload on a turnhill road, snapping through the gears, sending Snapchats of what I'm at to everyone on the pier. With the tube below and it started to roll, all wheels in the air. It was my chance to grease some nipples I never knew was there. Need some sleep and new teeth for digging and dozing in the muck. In case it rains, needing out jeans, lying in the trap. Climbing, liming, mixing, piping after the field is cut. There's many a gap you won't get at without 6,000 foot. Mowing, lifting, sewing, wailing, drawing, hauling, bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, field or slapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, wearing, tearing, losing wind. Oh, hit the deaf and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe we drove a night till the fuel it ran out. Oh, hit the deaf and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting, 'cause the summer doesn't last. But we're heading to New Zealand, where the crack it only starts.
She's rapid and she's nifty, she'll get you away from the guards any day. Oh, my little under 50, she's rapid and she's nifty, she'll do 150 on a windy day. Well, I bought her in the buy and sell in 1992. A travelling man in the caravan said, "This is the bike for you." He was looking for £100, well I gave him 82. Well, I took her for a spin on the Kinnegad Road and we got cheap and flew. Oh, my little under 50, she's rapid and she's nifty, she'll get you away from the guards any day. Oh, my little under 50, she's rapid and she's nifty, she'll do 150 on a windy day. like alloy wheels and nitros and a new push button span. Then I headed down to Robertstown to drop in for a beer. 85 over the bridge in second gear. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll get you away from the guards any day. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll do 150 on a windy day. I was heading out from Robertstown going towards Timahoe. Well, I saw the guards behind me, Sergeant Kenny, don't you know? I said, oh, just me luck, and I hit the old nitro. By the time they'd hit Bucket Cross, I was in Timahoe. My little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll get you away from the guards any day. Oh, my little Honda 50, she's rapid and she's nifty. She'll do 150 on a windy day.
Well, I never say goodbye to the woman this time, but I left for a note. Well, I'm up 3 steps in heaven, well, on the highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well. It was just my luck to be given the truck with a naked all alone. And fences and a hammer and a discipline spotted and a rolling bead stone. With a pack of apples, good black, was past the London night. With one eye on the road and the other on the phone, selfie passing by. All changing cranes on roads and lanes and slurrying money by the ton. Though they're holiday, trade times and thunder on their run. On wood and rub on the double right dump, as the road was rubbing the flaps. Well, it was a good laugh, with a half shot, was the gearbox. 50 dumb plus and 40 from behind, 24/7 on the 0 and 9, and baby, I'm coming back to you. Slip, clutch, and the button, no struck, heading for the road. Well, I never say goodbye to the woman this time, but I left for the note. Well, I'm about 3 steps in heaven, well, on the highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well. Snaps and brace and fiddly bass, lights and lights and lights. Go on the delivery and Dublin City like New York City at night. All over the country with airbags bouncing, tipping round still up. Had a tip below, but still on the go, 'cause I hadn't got time to stop. All the mail and rain of boats and trains and island bags and drink. And driving like hell and self-propel and hoping she don't sink. If your loved ones out, come home on the banks and get some humping boots. Buy a loaf and feed it cold and 20 lamps for their roof. 50 ton plus and 40 foot behind, 24/7 on the 0 and 9, and baby, I'm coming back to you. Slip the clutch and the button, no stuck, I'm heading for the boat. Well, I never say goodbye to the woman this time, but I left for a note. Well, I'm up 3 steps in heaven, well, on the highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well. Down the tunnel, down the M1, when the limit of views did melt. When the woman rang and said sorry tang, but you know I met someone else. With 2 chrome stacks rolled up the back of the bank flat out in top. My only fear in a about the boat. Well, I never said goodbye to the woman this time, and I let go, no. Well, I'm up 3 steps in heaven, well, on the highway to hell, and I know it'll be a while before I say goodbye, 'cause I know you're looking well.
I am a rally driver on the circuit for years. I'm a waffle man now for jamming gears. I revs around the corners, that out in the straight. A bit the bottom man buys the back, it is great.
Stay water Johnny, Johnny, stay water Johnny.
The car that I drive is an old Escort. I bought it in Galway in the town of Gort. Brought her home and I stripped her down. Now she's one of the greatest old cars around.
Stay water Johnny, Johnny, stay water Johnny.
I am a rally driver on the circuit for years. I'm a waffle man now for jamming gears. You should see me doing a handbrake turn. I'm the man to make the tires burn.
Stay with the Johnny, Johnny, stay with the Johnny. Stay with the Johnny, Johnny, stay with the Johnny.
I drove like I never did drive before. I had me foot flats on the floor. I'm going where well in the rally so far. 3 seconds behind the leading car.
Stay water Johnny, Johnny, stay water Johnny.
Richie is always the pace notes man, shouting them out as loud as he can. Over a crest down 110, a flat tree left and a crest again.
Stay water Johnny, Johnny, stay water Johnny.
I am a rally driver on the circuit for years. I'm a waffle man now.